Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 4th, 2024, and we've got some intriguing stories lined up for you. From Tesla's commitment to North American manufacturing to the rising concerns of Chinese espionage in Silicon Valley, there's a lot to unpack. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with Tesla's recent disclosure about the percentage of North American parts in its 2025 vehicle models. Tesla has revealed that its cars are among the most American-made in the industry. According to a filing with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the Model 3 long-range AWD and RWD lead the pack, with 75% of their parts sourced from the US and Canada, tying with the Honda Ridgeline. Following closely are the Model 3 Performance and Model Y variants at 70%, while the Model S and Model X come in at 65% and 60% respectively. The Cybertruck, boasting 65% North American parts, ranks second among electric trucks, just behind the Honda Ridgeline. Tesla's strategy of local sourcing is a stark contrast to traditional automakers, particularly the Detroit Big Three, who have lower percentages of North American parts. This commitment to local production is not just about patriotism. It's a strategic move to enhance supply chain resilience and sustainability. With plans to further increase North American content, including a new lithium refinery in Texas, Tesla is positioning itself as a leader in domestic manufacturing. This focus is increasingly important as consumers become more aware of the benefits of buying locally made products. Shifting gears, let's talk about the growing concern of Chinese espionage targeting Silicon Valley. Major tech companies, including Google, Apple, and Tesla, are on high alert. A recent case involved Linwei Ding, a former Google engineer accused of stealing trade secrets related to AI technology. Ding allegedly uploaded over 500 files to a personal account before attempting to flee to China to start his own company. The US government is ramping up its scrutiny of such incidents, warning that the theft of advanced technology could enhance China's military capabilities. The rise in corporate espionage is linked to China's aspirations to become a technology superpower, especially as US export controls limit access to advanced microchips and AI systems. Intelligence officials from the Five Eyes nations have highlighted the increasing threat of foreign espionage to tech companies. Historically, spying in Silicon Valley has evolved, with current tactics often involving Chinese nationals exploiting their positions in US firms to steal proprietary information. Recent investigations have shown that Chinese intelligence is leveraging the local Chinese diaspora to facilitate technology acquisition. In response, the US has launched initiatives like the Disruptive Technology Strike Force to combat this trend, while tech companies are tightening employee screening processes. Experts note that recognizing this espionage threat is a relatively new development, despite it being a long-standing issue. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we covered in the episode notes. Join us next time for more updates on Tesla and the ever-evolving world of technology. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.